one, yeah?
One.
Do you want one?
One.
Just one, yeah. What is it called? What's the name? Name. Do you know? Wow. Those this is one of the coolest things to do when you come to Hong Kong, like riding the dinding. It's so beautiful. Like the view from the top is pretty unique. Well, let's get to our stop so we can actually have some breakfast. We're still mooching around the Causeway Bay area. We're just trying to see if we could find a very, very nice coffee shop to sit. We tried to do the coffee shops, Sam and Victor. They'll have a little snooze, charge our gadgets, and then probably go through our itinerary to see what else we can do this afternoon. Well, guys, yeah, I'm going to talk to you when we get to the cafe. Comemos.
Oh, they're really pretty, aren't they?
Yeah. Okay. So these are paper. Right? You like fashion?
wait too long now.
This is what we call shopping mall.
Is it? So we were three.
Guys, guess where we are? We're in One Peking. It's a rooftop bar. The view here is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see actually, but look at the backdrop. I know it's cloudy today, but wow, it's beautiful, guys. I don't know, the camera can't do the justice, but the view is impressive. The cocktail Jay got. I want to show you guys the cocktail Jay got. Are you ready? Look at that. And then I'm going for this beautiful looking beer because it's sticky. Yeah, cheers from the 30th floor looking at the beautiful Hong Kong.
Oh, wow.
Cheers.
How much was it? Some back, some sup. Oh no, say.
Yes,
Some sup. Some back, some sup. Say.
Correct.
Jay is speaking Cantonese. How amazing. Well,
Thank you so much.
Wow, guys. That's how much you pay for this amazing view. 334, 2 beer and a cocktail.
Some back, some sup. Say.
See that?
Some back, some sup. Say.
That's Cantonese right there. Well, from Vista in the number 15F Lee West Commercial Building. Well, guys, let's get to the hotel and change. Yeah? Oh, hello. Come here. Hey, that's Jay. Hello, Jay.
Hello.
How tired are you?
Alcohol.